Say hi, Marina. Yeah, Brandon.
That's not nice. That's not nice.
What do you want, Matt?
Okay, I want you to say hi
Did you
to
guys have fun the whole day?
Yes. Strike a pose. Cat. Cow. Rooster.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Bird. Do some other stuff. Mad cat.
It's not raining anymore. Do you guys want to go outside?
Probably about to leave here in a second. I
Oh,
guess
you're
we could
leaving?
stay. I don't know.